Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download all photos from Google Photos to your computer. This is very simple. So as you can see, I have login my Google Photos. So you just have to log in your Google Photos, and if you are in this page, then here you can find your many photos which you have uploaded. In my case, I have uploaded only 6 photos, but if you have uploaded many photos, you can follow these steps as well, because all of your data will be recovered. So to download all of your photos, just go to the profile icon here, and then you will find the manage your Google account option. Click there, then this kind of window will pop up. Here we need to click on data and privacy. Now scroll it down until you find the option like data from apps and services you use. Here you have to click on this +1 option, or here you can find Google Photos, but in my case I am getting this +1 option. Just click there, and now this kind of window will pop up. Here we have to scroll it down again, and then you will see the Google Photos option, and I have uploaded 6 photos. So whatever photos you have uploaded, you will see the number like 60, 70 or 1000, 6000, many photos if you have uploaded, you can see the number here. So then you have to click on download button, and here we have to export our photos first. So to export your photos, just scroll again, and here you will find the continue button, but make sure this is selected, and then you have to click on continue. Now we need to export our photos. So to export, just select these settings. If you want to export once, you can just go there, and if you want to export every 2 months for 1 year, you can select this option. So but if you want to upload all of your photos, just select this export once option, and then you can select this zip file option. Then the next thing is file size. Here you can choose according to you, because you can see here exports larger than this size will be split into multiple files. So if your downloaded files are more than 2 GB, so it will automatically get splitted. So if you want to download it all together, you can just select this 50 GB option, but in my case the file size is pretty small, so I can select 1 GB as well. So once you're done with that, just click on create export, and now your export will be started. And you can see here Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete, but you don't have to worry about, because you will receive an email whenever your export is done. So in my case, my file size is very small, so export process will not take too much time, and already I have exported my photos, so I can just hit on download. As soon as you click on the download, this kind of window will pop up. Here you have to enter your password, but in some cases the download will start automatically, and in some you have to enter your password. So let me type my password. As you can see, as I type my password and hit on enter, the file started downloading automatically, and in case it won't happen in your case, you can just manually download it. Once you download the file, you just have to access it. So wherever you download the file, just go there and access it. So in my case, I have downloaded the file in downloads folder. As you can see, this is the zip file which we have downloaded. I just have to double click on it, or you can just extract if you want, but let me just open it like this. And as you can see, these are the photos. You can see two names of the same photo, but the format is different, and we don't need this format, so we can just leave it as it is, or you can just sort by it by type. And this is the 6 main photos which we can use or copy to another folder. So as you can see, all of our photos are now downloaded, and this is how you can download all photos from Google Photos to computer. I hope this video helps you, and if it is, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.